All of a sudden, he hears a beautiful whistling. Following the melody, he comes across a one-legged bird with a broken wing. This bird was hopping around a storm-ruined nest, using his one good wing to repair his home. "Why are you so happy?" said Striding Bird to this peculiar creature. "You have only one leg, one broken wing, and now your home is destroyed." To his surprise, the one-legged bird said, "But I have a few things to be happy about. The storm has stopped, and I still have one good wing to fix my home. What's more, I'm an excellent whistler and I can make great melodies while I work." Striding Bird stared in amazement as his one-legged friend continued to rebuild his home bit by bit.